little cupboard in there so you can
Oh, yeah.
go into the kitchen and pass all the food out.
Wow. Oh my God. Wow, this is just amazing. Wow, you just about get lost in here. Wow, it's really. Honestly, just about get lost in here. This is incredible.
There's a little bathroom there.
Oh, yeah?
There.
Ooh, wow. Bathroom.
This is like a galley.
Oh, yeah?
Galley / sort of another dining area. The chef can be cooking there, making your breakfast.
Oh,
you
yeah?
sit out there for breakfast.
Yeah.
And
Wow. It's got plenty of windows and lighting in here.
yeah.
That's amazing.
Especially those covers up. There's a lot of sunshine in here.
Oh, this is nice. Wow, man, this is spacious. Spacious.
Yeah, come on down here. This is the
Yeah.
accommodation on board.
Oh, yep. Not sure about these stairs, though.